in this blog, we're going to show you how to create and customize drop-down menu in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. We're going to customize the lead form in CRM just as one example. So maybe we need to add a field called lead validation that includes our lead qualifiers in a drop-down menu, for example. So we would go to Settings, Customization, Customize Entities. We would select the lead form because that's the form we're going to change. We want to add a new attribute. So we're going to click on Attributes and then click on New. On the attribute screen, we're going to give our new field a name. Let's see, we're going to call the display name, we'll call it Lead Validation. And we're going to turn it into a pick list over here by type and select pick list. And now we click on add to add our first value, or for example what we are calling our first lead qualifier. So we're going to click on add. And as you can see, it automatically gives the value 1 because it's our first qualifier. So we're going to say, is there a need for the product? Okay. And then say we want to add our second qualifier. So we would hit add. The second one, do they have the budget? Okay. And let's add one more. And that's value 3. And are they interested? Click OK. So once you have all of them added, you can also sort them by moving them up or down over here. You just click buttons. So you would click on whichever one you wanted to move, and then you would click over here. You can add, edit, delete. You can sort ascending, sort descending. So you have some editing options. Then you would hit save and close, which is up here a little bit, and it's creating the attribute. Then you would publish the form by going to Actions and Publish. Let's see. So once it's done doing that, now you add it to the attribute form. Let's see. Okay, now you add it to the attribute form by clicking on Forms and Views, and then double click on the lead form. You then want to click on Add Fields. You then scroll through the Add Fields list and you find your new field you just added. There it is, Lead Validation. And we're going to put it under the General tab, but we're going to put it under the Name section and hit OK. So now you can see it over here. You can use the arrows to the right to move it up or down. If you wish, by just clicking on the field first, then clicking the arrows. You can also make it span 2 columns versus 1 by clicking on the field and selecting, see, the radio button under the Formatting tab. So click on Formatting and select 2 columns and then click OK. Then we want to save and close. Then we want to go to Actions and Publish. It's publishing our customizations. Then we'll go back to CRM. We're going to save and close. We'll go back to CRM. We'll go to Sales. Then we're going to open a new lead. And as you can see, we've got the drop-down menu with all of our lead qualifiers that we added.